Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a beautiful hair accessory that combines the best of classic and modern styling. The Hair You Wear Current Events long textured bob wig in the striking RL56 60 silver color. This wig offers a sleek, edgy look with a geometric bob, and today I'll walk you through its features, performance, and whether it's worth adding to your collection. This wig is crafted from true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can style it just like natural hair. Whether you're into flat ironing, curling, or even blow drying, this wig holds up, giving you versatility without compromising on easy maintenance. The RL56 60 silver shade, which is what I'm testing out, is a cool silver blend, perfect for those who want a modern, chic look. It's not just about the color though. Let's get into what really makes this wig stand out. The wig features an A-line cut, where the back is slightly shorter, tapering into longer, texturized layers in the front. It's got a clean, geometric shape that feels fresh and edgy, while still maintaining that classic bob silhouette. The texturing at the bottom gives it some beveling, which is a nice touch for a little added dimension. Now, let's talk about the fit and comfort. The wig comes with a Memory Cap 3 system, which uses silicone-coated stretch lace to mold to the shape of your head. This makes for a secure and custom-like fit, without feeling too tight or uncomfortable. I was pleasantly surprised by how snug it felt, yet still breathable, which is essential for long wear. The sheer lace front also adds a natural-looking finish that allows for off-the-face styling, perfect for when you want to switch up your look. Another great feature is the wide monofilament part. This part gives you options for versatility. You can part it on the left, right, or down the middle, depending on your preference. The hand-tied fibers in the parting add to that natural, realistic look, making it hard to tell that it's a wig. In terms of real-world testing, I found this wig to be extremely easy to style. The texture held up well with heat, which was impressive. I curled it once and it maintained the shape, offering that voluminous, bouncy look. However, while the styling is pretty versatile, I did notice that the texture can get a little limp if you're not careful with the heat settings. So just make sure you use lower heat and keep the maintenance in check. As for the overall pros and cons, let's break it down. Pros. The heat-friendly true-to-life synthetic hair is a standout feature, allowing you to change up your style without worrying about damaging the wig. The Memory Cap 3 ensures a custom-like, comfortable fit. The lace front gives it a natural, off-the-face look, perfect for when you want to pull the hair back. It's lightweight, weighing just 4.6 ounces, so it's comfortable for long wear. The monofilament part offers flexibility in styling with realistic parting options. Cons: the texture can be a bit tricky with heat. If you apply too much heat or don't use the right setting, the hair can lose its bounce. It might not work as well for those with larger heads, even though it's an average cap size. The shorter nape might not be ideal for people who prefer a more traditional full-length bob. Now, when it comes to value for money, this wig is priced on the higher end, but given its heat-friendly synthetic hair and versatile styling options, it's pretty fair. If you're someone who values the ability to easily alter the look and feel of your wig, this will definitely justify the price. However, if you're looking for a budget option, you might want to explore some other synthetic wigs that offer simpler, no-fuss styles. Comparing it to other wigs on the market, this one definitely stands out in terms of its styling versatility and overall construction. While there are cheaper options, many don't offer the same heat styling or realistic monofilament parting. So, if you're looking for something that combines both function and style, this might be worth the investment. As for build quality and longevity, the Memory Cap 3 system ensures that it's durable and will mold to your head shape over time, which is a huge plus. I've had it for a few weeks now, and it's held up really well. The color hasn't faded, and the texture hasn't gone limp, even after styling it multiple times. If you haven't had any direct interaction with customer service, it's worth noting that Hair You Wear has a solid reputation for responding quickly to any inquiries or issues, which is always a good sign when you're investing in a quality wig. So, if you're on the hunt for a wig that combines modern edge with timeless style, this Hair You Wear long textured bob wig might be exactly what you need. It's especially great for those who love versatile styling options, but keep in mind it's best suited for people who prefer a sleek and tailored fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Stay beautiful inside and out.